and today I'm going to teach you how to do the plank chest tap. This is an excellent exercise to really stabilize the shoulder joint as well as the abs when done properly. So what you're going to do is find yourself into a shoulder plank, and you're going to place your feet slightly wider than shoulder, so a little outside your normal plank position. This is going to allow you to lift the hands to tap the chest every time without swaying the hips. So when you're coming into your plank position, you're going to place your hands right underneath your shoulders and have your feet slightly wider than shoulder width. You're going to bring your shoulders down away from the ears, packing the lats. Abs are tight, so you're tucking those glutes under and squeezing the glutes. Then from here, you're going to lift one hand at a time, tapping the chest. What you want to make sure is that your hips aren't lifting while you're in this position. From the front, it should look like this. Notice how my hips aren't lifting at all, and I'm not twisting every time I tap my chest. And that is your plank chest tap.